Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials. Make sure your PC has internet, your Microsoft account matches the Office license, and the Office 2010 product key is at hand. Once done, set the system clock to automatic. Mismatched time often blocks activation. Next, disable VPN or proxy. These mask the activation server. Finally, run Word as administrator and open the activation wizard. This starts the communication with Microsoft, and it's the first real step toward resolving the activation failed error. You should try internet activation first. Enter the product key and follow prompts. Make sure to allow firewall access when requested because the app must reach activation servers. If internet activation fails, choose telephone activation and read the installation ID exactly when asked. Once connected, type the confirmation ID back into Word. If errors persist, run Office Diagnostics or the Microsoft Fix-It. These repair corrupt activation files and reset licensing components so activation can complete. To finish, restart Word and verify activation under File, Help, or Account. You should see Product activated. If it's not activated, remove and re-enter the product key or reinstall Office cleanly to replace damaged files. Make sure Windows Update is current because missing updates sometimes block activation. If problems continue, run the SLU or OSP. VBS activation commands to force re-registration, and keep the exact error code handy. This lets support diagnose faster when you contact them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.